Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna learn how to change Spotify playlist picture. First of all, open your Spotify application and then go to your profile by tapping on settings icon on the top right corner and then on your profile picture. There you can see your playlist. Here I have only one playlist, so I'm going inside it. By tapping on it, there you can see three dots beside add people icon. Tap on it and then tap on edit. Now tap on change image. You'll be given two options. You can either click image or choose image from library. Here I'm choosing an image from library. Now you can also adjust the image and then tap on choose. Now you can also see how it is going to look. If you are satisfied, then you can tap on save and then the image gets uploaded. You can see the loading screen. After it is done, you can see the updated image. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if it helped you, and please do subscribe for similar contents.